In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a virtual background in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're in a meeting with colleagues or attending a virtual event, it's important to have control over what your camera displays. Sometimes you might find the virtual background feature unnecessary or distracting, and that's completely fine. So let's walk through the steps to remove it. First, you'll want to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Open your Teams application and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can see all your Teams, chats, and upcoming meetings. Now let's head over to the part where we can adjust our background settings. From the main screen, go ahead and click on Join for any meeting, or simply start a new meeting to access the video settings. You'll notice that joining a meeting is pretty intuitive and takes you right where you need to be. Once you've clicked on Join, you should see some familiar controls on your screen. Look for a small icon at the bottom that says Background Filters. It might look like a person with a sparkling backdrop behind them. This is where you can manage and customize your video background settings. Clicking on Background Filters will open a variety of options for you. Here you'll see a bunch of images and effects that you might have used before or would like to try. However, since our goal today is to remove any virtual backgrounds, you'll want to locate the option that says None. Now with the window open in front of you, scan through the choices until you find None. It's usually the first option, symbolized by a clear or simple icon. By selecting None, you're telling Microsoft Teams to show your real background as it is without any virtual effects or images. And there you have it. Once you've clicked None, your background should instantly revert to your natural surroundings. You can always switch it up again later if you ever feel like experimenting with different backgrounds or going back to a virtual one. A few troubleshooting tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. Make sure your Teams application is up to date. Sometimes features may behave differently if you're using an outdated version. Also, ensure your camera is working correctly, as this will affect how your background adjustments appear. In summary, controlling your video background in Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process, but it offers a lot of flexibility to suit your needs. Removing your virtual background can help create a more professional or personal space, depending on the situation. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to change up your video settings.